Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Let me put the radio off. Today we have this car and we need to add those remote. So follow us, please stay with us to see if it's possible. Okay, I will say accept. Let me put the window up. Okay, I'm gonna go by VIN auto detect. The car is running now. Landrover, I believe LR2. Let me see what it says. Say okay. Blade semi-smart 2012. Say yes. Imo scan. Let me make the ignition on. Okay, now I say yes. That's very fast. Immobilizer matching. I don't know what that means. Number of the key. Two keys. It's okay. Okay, so number of the key. So add new smart key. This function can add new smart key. The learning smart key will be invalid if you do not do the function. You would like to continue? I say yes. If the smart key, let me answer this phone. Okay, this function can add new smart key. The learning smart key will be invalid if you do not do the function. Will you like to continue? Say yes. At least one learning smart key, yes. Insert the learning smart key into the ignition slot and turn the ignition on, yes. Number of the key 2. Turn the ignition off. What is the key off? Turn the ignition off. Remove the smart key. I took the smart key. Insert learning smart key into the ignition. Insert learned smart key into the ignition. Put this one here. Say okay. Yes. Remove the smart key from the ignition. I took this one out and put the next one. You want to learn it? This is the next one.
You got frequency here.
Do you want to try to push it in if it's come out? Do you want to learn another one? You have frequency?
Yeah.
So read how to program it manually. See link there. You can get any file how to program it. And then put the next one into it. Put the next one on your hand. Okay, I'm gonna put this. What is the new one? Yeah, this one. Do you want to program another one? No. me see this one. Doesn't take it. Let me see what happened. Let me get the other one. Okay, yes. Remove it. Say okay. Yes. No. Program it already. He asked me, do you want to do another one? Uh-oh. I did it wrong because you have to follow the step. No. Ignition is on, complete. Let me see how many key I have. 3 key. Sound good. You know, like if you put the key inside, and the key is not learn, let me see now. Because this door maybe have a problem. Okay, if you put the key inside, you have to follow the step, because if you don't follow the step, it will. If you put unprogrammed key, it will come out. He will ask you if the key come out, it doesn't hold on, you say yes. Or is the key inside the ring, you say no. That time, the computer will take it out and withhold it. So just follow the step the right way. If you don't follow the step the right way, you will not be able to do it. So usually when he asks you, when you put it in, it will ask you if the ring hold the key inside. If you say no, it will hold it. It will hold it automatically and program it. So right now we have 2 working key. At least we are good to go. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. This is a Landrover Freelander 2 semi-smart key.